All right, good morning, happy homeowners. Still morning. I'm all over the place today. Hey, back over here in Upland, finishing up this engineered red oak plank flooring. Man, this stuff was common in the mid 80s to mid 90s, but remember they were going to do the lightish gray so they could match that bamboo in the hallway, but as most people, once they see the beautiful raw wood, they went with the low but invisible. Check this out. Boom, boom. Woo. Look at that video earlier. And this is just the one coat. We still got a couple more coats to put on this. It's just going to get better and better. Oh yeah. I'm telling you, if you don't watch us mop it on, you think we didn't do anything to the floor. But light, bright, beautiful, and protected. Whew. All right, guys. Got to get out of here, get on down the road. Any questions, reach out, no matter when you're watching the video. YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, website. You want a copy of our book, 9 Secrets to Refinishing Wood Floors? Let me know.